So I had to fabricate some spacers in order to lift the winch up off of the mount, because of the external brake on the Warrior is so much bigger than your normal winch. Because of having the brake on the right side of the winch, it was hitting the frame, so I spaced it up. Here I'm just double checking all the mounts, making sure I can get it all tight, and then take it back off. Fresh coat of paint. I just got to make a new mount for my light bar, and if you notice, I painted the axles. And here I am making the rear winch solenoid mount.
But I keep drinking cause it makes me feel like I'm not alone. I'm having problems, my problem, let me reach out. Looking at this bottle, having nothing but
Thanks to Chris Kincaid for cutting these out in the plasma cutter. So I'm making basically the same mount that was there, just bigger and beefier. And if you notice in that video, I used a piece of tube to align all the gussets that weld to the axle, so I knew that they would be all in plane and level, and it turned out really well.